Just one killer video can literally change your life. It will automatically change your channel from 0 to 1,000 subscribers in a space of time. Now, succeeding on YouTube has never been a thing of luck. It all depends on what you are able to deliver to your viewers. If you patiently watch till the end of this video, I will review the top 4 secrets used by many of your favorite creators to grow their channels. Mind you, skipping any part of this video may result to you missing the vital information. So sit back, and if you haven't subscribed, kindly hit that subscribe button so you never miss any of my video. Basically, I'm on a go to get this channel monetized in 5 months time. So as every other new creators, I set my camera, hit record, edit and post. But after posting my first and second video, to be honest, I wasn't pleased with the outcome, meaning if I continue posting the same way, my chances of getting monetized before 5 months is little. So I have to sit back and search for what was missing. I checked literally hundreds of videos to see what the creators are doing that I'm not doing. And after hours and days of making my research, I just discovered that there are 2 kinds of YouTubers. On the other hand, pushes content every single week, and they tries to overcome the YouTube algorithm by posting lots of contents. This category of YouTubers only set up camera, they hit record, and after 10 minutes they post with the intention of hitting thousands of views. While this other set of creators are those who takes time to come up with ideas. They spend days and weeks, even months, making a single killer video, and once they upload it, the algorithm loves it, the viewers loves it, and by so doing their channel will blow up, which will make the other creators think it's all about luck. So even before you think of making a video, it's best to sit back and come up with a killer idea, and not to be in the rush of you just want to post something. Make your ideas clear and interesting. Remember, good idea will get you thousands of views, but great idea will get you millions of views. Now moving to the next one, which is mostly sometimes neglected. Now, most YouTubers are guilty of this very one. Immediately you are inside YouTube homepage to watch video, only 2 things will determine the video you will click to watch. It's either you are being hooked by the name or the thumbnail. YouTube is not a place where you console yourself with quotes like "Don't judge a book by its cover." Your video title and thumbnail must be authentic and attractive. There are thousands of creators even in the same niche with you who are editing far better than you. So how do you think your viewers will click your video over theirs? A very good example is this video which says "Buy a business with $0." Viewers will be eager to know how they can own a business with 0 cost. Both the thumbnail and title of this video has the potential hook to hold back viewers. Now, I'm not saying you should spend more than you can creating thumbnails or spending all your time in source of good title. Kindly make use of apps like vidIQ or ChatGPT for better title suggestion, or create different types of thumbnails alongside with their titles and ask friends and family which one would they click first if they should come across this video. By so doing, you will know the one that has the potential to attract audience. Up to the next one. Now, this particular tips is mostly disregarded by many creators, like you hardly find people talk about it. First 15 seconds of your videos matters a lot, whether you start with b-rolls, text or your face, but the main thing is how you present your video to your audience for the first 15 seconds. Once you are able to hook them up, chances are they will watch till the end. So how do you manage to hook your viewers for the first 15 seconds of them clicking to watch your videos? Most creators hook their viewers with animation alongside sound effects, so whichever one suits you, but it is important to know that your viewers will decide to skip your videos or continue watching it after 15 seconds. Another best way to hook your audience is to cut out the vital information from the main video and place it as highlights of what they are going to gain if they watch the video, other than using call to actions like "Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time of coming across my channel, please do subscribe." Let's be sincere, most of us do this. I'm not saying it is bad, but to avoid your viewers skipping before your introduction finish, it is best to hook them with points. Throw them points so that they will sit back. Then after your points, you can now introduce yourself. You can now call them to action for them to subscribe, like and share your video. Sometimes, even if you don't use call to action to remind them of subscribing, most viewers, once they love what you are doing, they will genuinely subscribe to your channel. So guys, if you have gained any information so far, please hit that subscribe button. Now moving to the next one, which may seem to be the vital information in this whole video. This is the roadmap that guide your narrative, engage your audience and keep them hooked from start to finish. Here is how a good script can prepare your video to viral status and some tips to writing one regardless of your niche. Good scripts create an engaging dialogue that can breathe in life into your videos, making it more interesting and entertaining to your viewers. More or less, never you overlook the need for clear message delivery. A good script ensures that your message is conveyed clearly and effectively, whether you are educating, entertaining or inspiring. inspiring. Clarity is the key to ensuring that your audience understand and retain the information you are presenting. Clarity is the key to writing a better script. Now, for you to write a good and captivating script, 4 things is important. Number 1, know your audience. Number 2, research on your niche. Number 3, focus on value. And lastly, keep it concise. Just before you go, do me a favor by hitting that subscribe button, like and share. Drop your opinion in the comment section. Please guys, my goal is to get this channel monetized in 5 months time, so I can't do it without you guys. Let's go.